Namaste everyone. I know you were eagerly waiting for your craft activity. So today we are going to make a beautiful table card holder. Do you know what is a card holder? A card holder is basically a case for keeping a collection of different types of cards safely. For making this article, you will need some craft papers, glue, a black sketch pen, a scale, a pencil, and a scissor. So let's begin with the activity. Here I have taken a pale yellow color sheet and I'm going to mark it at 6 centimeters like this, and then I'm going to draw a straight line. Then I'll be marking it at 9 centimeters and again I'll draw a line. Actually we need two strips of paper, one measuring 6 by 29 and another one measuring 9 by 29 centimeters. So let's cut the paper on these lines. Now we are going to paste both the sheets like this. So I'll be applying a little bit of glue here and I'll paste another piece of sheet like this. And once it is dried, we will fold this side of paper like this and crease it well. Now let's fold it like this. This way we keep on folding the sheet here, and here I am going to apply a little bit glue and I am going to paste it finally. Apply some glue here as well and paste it. Now as you can see, I have three compartments here for keeping the card. If I keep it like this, I have only two flaps. If I keep it like this, I have three sides where I can keep the cards. So I'm going to keep it like this. Now I need to decide which character I'm going to make for this card holder. So I'm going to use this orange color sheet and I'm planning that I'll make the face of a dog for this card holder. So I'm going to draw a heart-like shape for the face of the dog. And then I'm going to cut it. Now I need to add two ears to the face. So I'm going to use this yellow strip again and I'm going to draw the ear for the dog, and let's fold the sheet here like this so that we can cut the two pieces of the ear at the same time. If you cannot cut it at the same time, you can cut it separately also. And let's paste the ears like this. So now the face of the dog is ready and we are going to paste it here on our card holder. But I'm going to cut a small strip of paper and I'm going to fold it like this, and I'm going to apply some glue on both the sides and we will paste it here in the center first, and then we will paste the face like this on the card holder. So it looks like a flap here, that is why I have pasted the strip. You can directly paste the face on the card holder. Now we will be adding the features on the face. Here I draw a small nose and two small eyes. Now we need to add some whiskers on the face. So I'm going to use this yellow sheet only, and I'm cutting some very fine whiskers, and I'm going to paste those whiskers on the face like this. Now we need to cut the paws of the dog. So I'm folding this paper 4 times like this so that I can cut all the 4 pieces of paws at the same time. If you cannot cut all the 4 pieces together, you can cut them separately. I'm going to paste only 2 paws in front. If you want, you can paste 4 paws, but I'm going to attach 2 paws like this together to make it quite stiff, and these 2 paws only I'm going to paste in front. So this way I paste both the parts, and now I'm going to fold it here to apply the glue. So this way you need to fold it, and let's apply the glue on that part which we have folded. Then let's paste it in front like this. Now we will keep it for drying. As you can see, I have made some more beautiful card holders which looks like a rat, and this one looks like an elephant. So you can choose your own character which you want to choose for your card holder. I'm going to add this small tail to my dog here like this. I'll paste it behind. And let's use a pencil to quill it a little bit. And we can paste it here like this. Now my card holder is ready. As you can see, all of them are looking so beautiful. Now I have some visiting cards and some debit cards also. I'll show you how to use this. I'm going to keep some cards here at the back side and some cards in the second folder, and I have an important bill which I need to keep, so I'm keeping the bill also in my card holder. So this way you can see these card holders are going to be so useful for you. So make some beautiful card holders of your choice and gift it to your loved ones. And you can share your work with me at shikha@zenix.net. Thanks for watching.